Top 10 fifth-generation fighter aircraft. Next-generation fighter planes are also regarded as fifth-generation fighter jets. All top fighter aircraft with the state-of-the-art technology are enlisted in a classification list followed mainly by the United States. The aircraft have unique features like stealth, low probability of intercept radar, LPIR, high-performance airframes, advanced avionics features, and highly integrated computer systems capable of networking with other elements. These are the war beasts of the modern age which rule the sky and are lethal in the field. 10. HAL AMCA, India. The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, is a single-seat, twin-engine fifth-generation stealth multipurpose fighter being developed by India. The design process of this aircraft is still in the process initiated by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. The vehicle is expected to be ready by 2018. Nine. Shenyang J-31, F-60, China. The Shenyang J-31 has a twin-engine, mid-size fifth-generation jet fighter currently under the process of development by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. The fighter is known by various names including F-60, J-20 Snowy Owl and Jirgalkin, or Falcon Hawk. 8. HAL Sukhoi PMF, FGFA, India and Russia. The HAL Sukhoi FGFA is now called the Prospective Multi-Role Fighter, PMF. The features include stealth, supercruise, advanced sensors, networking and combat avionics. Seven. TAI TFX, FX, Turkey. TFX is the first fifth-generation jet fighter developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI. Six. Mitsubishi ATDX, Shinshin, Japan. Japan under the name of ATDX, Sunshin, is set to make its first fifth-generation fighter aircraft. The authorized company dealing with this manufacturing is Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi ATDX Shinshin is a sample fifth-generation fighter aircraft that employs advanced stealth technology. Five. Kai KFX, South Korea. This fifth-generation fighter is also known as the unmanned aerial vehicle and is famous in the aviation defense industry. Initiated by the KFX, this advanced multi-role fighter was mainly designed for the Republic of Korea Air Force, ROKAF, and Indonesian Air Force, TNIO. The features include powerful tracking and engagement facilities, advanced avionics, high-end engine modifications, agile performance, composite structures and inherent stealth features to help dominate the battlefield. 4. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, USA. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is yet another fifth-generation fighter developed by the USA, which employ new and advanced stealth technology and is being operated with super-advanced computers. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is equipped to perform ground attack, reconnaissance, and air defense missions with stealth capability. The F-35A has three other models, F-35A, F-35B and F-35C. 3. Sukhoi Pak-FA-T-50, Russia. Sukhoi developed the Pak-FA-T-50 for the Russian Air Force. The Sukhoi T-50 is the prototype for Sukhoi Pak-FA. The Sukhoi Pak-FA is one of the most advanced stealth aircraft of the world and is the successor of the MiG-29 and Su-27. 2. Chengdu J-20, Black Eagle, China. The Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, CAIG, of China manufactures the Chengdu J-20. Only the People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAF manufactures this fighter aircraft. The features are not yet revealed to the world as the PLAF looks forward to introduce it in 2017. One. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, USA. It is considered the most lethal fifth-generation fighter aircraft of the world. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a single-pilot-operated, twin-engine aerodynamic fighter aircraft which is the master of stealth technology. It has features like ground attack, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence tracker.